we have Decentraland, symbol MANA versus the dollar, and I want to follow up on this one from yesterday, and we have still continuation in mind here. Did hold our 4-hour lows good at $3.50 or 363 if you want to be exact. So that is the invalidation going onwards and forwards from here. We do have a measured move from our prior range, and that is in line with our 2-spot 414 extension at about just under $5. Anywhere between there and about 510 or so is kind of where I'm looking for on this next move. I would be looking for a local high around there, not necessarily calling like the major macro high just yet. We're getting close, obviously. I mean, daily BBWP is hitting extremes, and you know, we are starting to get some bearish divergence over here on the daily as well. So I do think this one's got one more move to the upside at minimum, and then very likely does put in a nice short-term high. Wouldn't call it a macro high. Obviously, all higher-term timeframes are still massively bullish here. This monthly is very, very good coming to the end of the month, and I imagine that we're probably also looking okay from a Stoke perspective over here. Full hour is erect as fuck above 380. Okay, nice. Daily is also erect above 394. Also good. Weekly is freshly crossing above 260. That actually says we might have a lot more new highs before this one actually does go for a prolonged correction. All higher time frames on this one are still very much bullish. So I don't call any major highs here, especially as long as you're above the last low, which is 465 on a 4 hour. Until then, this one's looking up pretty much on all time frames, trending right here, volatility increasing daily. Has me a little more concerned, but I do think that you got at least one more high here, and then we'll come back to it after that. So hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Decentraland.